Music is a universal language and everyone can relate it very easily. But to understand the music, dear friends, it is very essential for us to know about the philosophy and the culture of that place which it belongs. It means if we want to understand the music of any state, any country, any region, for that we have to understand the culture, we have to understand the motive, we have to understand the philosophy of that region, of that country. These are the main points to understand the music. There are so many forms of music, but for me, music is a medicine of soul. Hello dear friends, myself Dr. Richa. Welcome you all in my channel Music Vibes Cafe. As you all know, music is a bridge between soul and emotions. But Indian classical music has its own wide knowledge. It has no limits. And secondly, Indian classical music has a very strong background. The music is combination of three performing arts. First is singing, vocal. Second is playing instrumental. And third is dance. Dear friends, Hindustani classical music has also discussed in Samveda. Samveda is a Veda of music. It has a lot of richas, group of richas. But in Gandharva Veda, music has described with physics and medicines also. Because physics and music has a great relationship. Even maths and music has a great relationship in our Tal system. And on second hand, medicines and music has also a very great relationship because music helps us for relax. It relaxes our mind, it relaxes our mood. On the secondary, it relaxes our concentration power also and improves it. One day, one person asked me that why one should listen or learn Indian classical music. So my dear friends, a lot of reasons are there. Classical music has great impact in our nerve system, in our hormone system. That is why we feel relaxed after listening the music. Maybe all you don't know about that, but it also increases our concentration power. Classical music gives us a peace of mind. It changes our mood. It gives us a lot of happiness, a peace of mind and a different type of happiness. But unfortunately, the common man knows a very little about Indian classical music. And when asked about Indian classical music, the common man will generally say it is or this thing. What is this? So my dear friends, this is Tal system or this Akar is an aesthetic sense of Indian classical music. And it is very compulsory. We have to understand this Tal system. We have to understand the Akar. But classical music is much beyond this. It has no limits. It is limitless. Music has no boundaries. To understand the music, first you have to learn it. All of you are not able to relate with music in musical concert, especially in Indian classical music concert. You think what is going on? Because you haven't learnt it. You are not able to understand what is going on, what is gamak, what is shruti, what is saptak, what is swaras. So dear friends, it is very necessary to understand the music. So through this video series, my aim is to introduce the music, especially Indian classical music, for all of you, whether they are students or a layman. So we can discuss about basic elements of music in our next video, and I'll try my best to tell you each and everything in a very simple manner so you can relate it very easily with music. So dear friends, keep watching and enjoy your life and be safe. Bye.